We're on the floor today because we don't have to look at that. That is my double gauge Class 66. So you can see this is N-gauge. Look, it's a little teeny 66. He's so cute. He's adorable. So we've got some N-gauge from Alfie, who is behind me. He's playing with my Hinter Manor, and we're going to have a little running session with these. Just a little short one. It'll be fun. So we literally got the merchant set up, ready to go. It's going to be very difficult to film this. I've never filmed N-gauge before, so this is a practice. So I do apologise if it's not perfect. So there you go. Let's go. It's coming, people. Look at this. It's so hard to film something this small. Yes. Tiny. Oh, let me stopped. Speed.
That's also Drake, if you noticed. I've renumbered it.
He's so tiny. Speed. We've got an incredibly long train with a Class 66. It's managing beautifully, look at that. Nice and slow, and have working lights as well. There's a bit of a mix of everything there, people. You don't get that in anywhere else.
You can plan it next time, and I'll bring a lot more wagons and stuff as well in that.
There's my big 60. Oh, there's the big 66. Wow! Killing me being on the floor there. How cool is that? That's a long train. I think that will do for this very short but sweet little video of N-gauge. That now means there's 2 videos on this channel of N-gauge. Probably more to come in the future.